not gonna stay. Hello everyone! I guess it's Happy New Year. It's been a while since I have vlogged. Don't know if you've noticed, but I've gotten a new camera. I got the Canon G7X. I treated myself on the Boxing Day sales and figured I would up my YouTube game, but I've been a little busy, a little preoccupied that I haven't actually filmed yet, so Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Brendan's just behind me. If you are new here, my name is Emily. I am 26 years old. I live in Canada. Right now for the weekend I'm visiting my boyfriend. He lives in Windsor, which is right on like the Canada-Detroit border. So we finally got Chick-fil-A, so why not go? So that's what we're having for lunch. I'm gonna go pick it up because I really want it. I'm gonna take you along with me. I'm just gonna do a weekend in my life and we'll go from here. So yeah, anyway, hi, welcome. Let's keep going on the vlog. Okay, not gonna lie, I hope I got my order right. I'm not too sure because I just did nugget meal milkshake and Brendan just wanted nuggets and it was $28. Is that just me or is that a lot of money? I feel like that's a lot of money for fast food, especially nuggets. I'm interested to see, maybe I ordered an extra meal? I didn't think they were super expensive. Hi!
Emily?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you, have a good one.
You too.
Okay, that feels super heavy, so I have a feeling I got multiple items. Okay, so I was wrong, they didn't mess up my order, it's just stupid expensive. Got the chicken nugget combo with a milkshake, which is really good, but hard to drink with the paper straw. But anyway, and then Brenda just got a little nug. And we're watching Dexter New Blood, which is very good and really addicting. So we've been binging that all weekend. Okay, I have done absolutely nothing. I have been reading this book all freaking afternoon. It's Verity by Colleen Hoover. Oh my God, I can't put it down. I've read so much. I'm almost done, but I need to make dinner because it's 7. Brendan is outside doing a fire, so I need to get dinner ready for us. We just had some tea, but we're gonna do chicken and roasted veg and potatoes. So I figured I'd do some beet rolls because I have this playlist that I've been obsessed with called Pure Serotonin. I'll leave it in the description. That's it there, I saw it on TikTok. So I figured I would just do some beet rolls, that's not attractive. Play this playlist and go from there. And then go back to my book while this cooks. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I am so tired today, holy smokes. Look at my little tripod I made. This is what you were sitting on yesterday when I was filming, getting myself ready and everything. Hope that still is okay. Oh, I don't know why the lighting keeps changing, but anyway. Brendan and I slept in. It's noon. I think we slept in until about 10. I can't remember the last time we did that, or I even did that. That's just crazy. But both of us were just so tired. Stayed up late last night finishing Dexter New Blood, and I also wanted to finish my book, Verity, which is so good. I was talking to a couple people on Instagram about that, and this one girl was like, I'm not a huge fan of Colleen Hoover, like her books aren't super great, and this is my first book of hers that I'm read. So a part of me wasn't like, didn't have high hopes for it, but like just reading the back of the book, not listening to anybody else, I was really interested in it, and it did not disappoint. Oh my goodness, that was such an amazing book. I forgot my moisturizer, hold on. Okay, we're back. You're supposed to use this on your body, which I do, but I also use it on my face because my face gets so freaking dry and my skin is so sensitive that a lot of other moisturizers are on without like breaking out, hence my breakout. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. But yeah, it's just one of my favorite moisturizers. It's not super thick. It is and it isn't. Anyway, it's just the only thing that works for me right now. It's gonna go red, hold on. But anyway, yeah, so it's such a good book. I highly recommend. I predicted the ending, which I'm like happy about, but then there was a whole, like there was a twist like right at the end, and that threw me for a loop. So it was very good, start to finish, amazing. I picked it up on Thursday, read like 30 pages, and I was like, okay, this is really good. So I want to put it away because I know I'm just gonna stay up late reading it. Also ignore the noises in the background. I think a train is going by. And then Friday I got busy with work, so I wasn't really reading and doing anything. And then on Saturday, I picked it up around 4:30 and I finished it by like 8. I had to stop for dinner and all that stuff. So anyway, it's such a good read. It's an easy read. I feel like this is a great book to like get back into reading. Like I'm really excited for next book. A couple people on Instagram sent me other recommendations like, oh, if you like this book, you should read this. So if you're interested, comment down below and I'll share that. But anyway, I am so pumped. I highly recommend. So anyway, I wanted to come on stuff while I'm just putting on some makeup. Currently going in with Tinted Coverage Foundation. I feel like you're supposed to apply this with a brush, but I just really like using my hands just to spread it, and then I just buff it out with a brush. But it's really nice because it feels super light. It's easy to throw on like a moisturizer with my hands, but it looks like I applied foundation. So really impressed by that. So Look Fantastic actually sent me most of these products that I've been sharing in this video, which was so kind of them. They stocked me up on my winter essentials for my skincare, for makeup, for hair care, all that sort of stuff. So thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending those my way. I'm so grateful. First off, starting, obviously I already shared this, but the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So obsessed. I originally used it all over my body, and now I just put it on my face as my main moisturizer morning and night. So good. So they kindly sent that over. They also sent over the Nude Sticks tinted foundation, and they sent over all the hair care that I used in my shower yesterday. They sent over the Way Thick Hair shampoo and conditioner. Oh wait, this is the shampoo, then they sent over the conditioner, and then the St. Bart's Scalp and Body Scrub. Oh my goodness. Okay, just main tip, you need to exfoliate in the summertime, like all year round. Exfoliating is so good for you because it just replenishes your skin, gets rid of all your dry skin, old skin, all that stuff. It sounds disgusting, but it's amazing. And so far this has been one of the best scrubs that I've been using, and I love that you can use it on your scalp as well, just to get rid of like built up shampoo and products and all that sort of stuff. So it's one of my absolute favorites. It smells so nice. Like I literally think I'm back in the Bahamas just having a time. They also kindly sent the Isles of Paradise self-tanning butter. So this is the first time I'm actually using this product. I only did my legs just to see how it would look, and it looks so clean and even. It literally looks like I'd used their spray. So I have their drop. I'm on my face on Friday night, so I had the drop, and it literally looked like I did like a full tan, and it wasn't sticky. It would smell really nice, and it has a really nice even coverage, which is really nice. Yeah, it says it has some color correcting in it, which I have seen, which is really nice. So I was very impressed with that. So I'm gonna use that on my arms tonight before going to bed. I feel like I'm my best self when I'm tan, even though it's all fake. Just wanted to share that quickly. So thank you, Look Fantastic, for sending me those products. They're absolutely amazing. So Look Fantastic is a company that sells all these amazing brands, like popular brands that you're familiar with. They have a wide selection of good quality products, from like hair care, skincare, makeup, bath, body, all that sort of stuff, which is amazing. Great range of luxury and like drugstore products and all that stuff, which is amazing to shop by and shop for. I just love how all my favorite products were like right there. Like, it was so easy to navigate and pick and choose what I wanted. They broke it down by price if you wanted to, by brand, all that sort of stuff. And they kindly gave me a discount code for you guys. So I'm gonna leave that here and then in the description, and I'll leave all the links to these products. A really good website, easy to see. I've shopped there before and I absolutely love it. So, and it came really quickly, like with shipping and stuff like that. Like, I got it within the week, which is amazing. So anyway, thank you again, Look Fantastic, for gifting me these beautiful products. I'm putting on some makeup now. I'm gonna go outside and help Brendan with the Christmas lights. When I went to go get that lotion, I walked by and I saw him with the ladder out and everything. I'm like, I should probably go out and help you. And we'll have some lunch and then I'll probably hit the road because I got a great 3-hour drive ahead of me and all that stuff, which I'm really excited because, like, I'm obviously not excited to leave. I would rather stay here. But Burlington is getting 10 to 15 centimeters of snow tonight and then another 10 centimeters tomorrow afternoon. So I'm kind of pumped because I love the snow, and so far this winter has just been green and cold and gross, and I'm not a fan of it, honestly. Like, my body feels like it's March. Companies are talking about their bathing suits on sale and all this stuff, and I'm like, a part of me is like, yeah, let's go, cottage season, let's get going, sort of thing. But it's not. It's freaking January, like the middle of January. Where is all the snow? I'm happy that it's coming. A lot of my friends are snowmobiling this weekend, which I'm sad that we're not there with them, but c'est la vie. We're gonna go to Jasper in a couple weeks, which is really exciting. I'm very excited about that. Not for snowmobiling, for skiing and stuff, so I'm excited. We're gonna have lots of snow. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring you guys along, so subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see my Jasper trip. I'm really excited. I'm just excited for snow. Oh, also, this is from Aerie. It's one of their like ski collection things. I bought their mock net base layer, which is so warm. Like, I have tons of base layers from like Under Armour, Nike, Helly Hansen, like all this stuff, and I've never like been so hot in one besides the Aerie one. It was like $22, so highly recommend that. They're sold out of the one that I have, unfortunately. They have lots of other colors and all that stuff. I just ordered one for Jasper because I wanted a different color, but I'm gonna leave that down below. I've been sharing a lot on my Instagram as well. So, but yeah, this one's still in stock, which is really nice. They just restocked. It's just like a nice cotton turtleneck. It's not like super warm, but it's kind of cute. Enough chatting. I'm gonna go help Brendan. Whoa, don't fall. He actually is almost done. Oops. Oh, my gloves are in the car. Oh, that's gonna be chilly. Man, I'm getting old. Tell the people where you got your suit, your onesie.
Why?
I'll leave it down below. There you go, lights done. Hello, Otis. Hello, Otis. Oh my goodness. Hello. Yay. That was a long drive. Very pretty. The sky and sunset was beautiful. But yeah, I'm a little exhausted. So there's so much to do. It is 6:20. I need to do some laundry, make dinner, make my lunch for work tomorrow. Maybe a little bit of a busy night, maybe a late night, because I also have to edit this video and send it in. Just wanted to come on and say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and I hope you have a great week ahead. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff is always appreciated. Thank you, Look Fantastic, for gifting me those products. I will have all the information down below. Why am I like zoomed in? There we go, oh my goodness. All the products that I mentioned, they'll be in the description box along with the Look Fantastic website, so definitely check them out if you are in the market for any of these products. They have a huge range and variety of brands and products that are amazing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!